Our story begins in a small village at the foot of a misty mountain. In this village lived a wise Zen master known for his wisdom and calm presence. One day, a young man, troubled by his chaotic mind and restless heart, approached the master. Master, I feel lost. No matter what I do, I can't find peace. I am constantly distracted and anxious. The young man confessed. The master smiled gently and said, "Come with me. I want to show you something." They walked in silence until they reached a beautiful, clear pond. The master handed the young man a stick and asked him to stir the water vigorously. The young man stirred the water until it became murky and unclear. The master then said, "Now look into the water. Can you see your reflection?" The young man replied, "No, it's all blurred and distorted." The master nodded and continued, "Now put down the stick and wait." As the young man waited, the water gradually settled and soon it became crystal clear. The master pointed to the pond. "Now can you see your reflection?" "Yes," the young man replied, amazed. The master smiled. "This is how your mind works. When you are constantly stirring it with worries, distractions and fears, you lose clarity. But if you allow it to settle, your path becomes clear. Remember, peace is always there. You just need to let it surface." The young man was moved but still had questions. "But master, how do I keep my mind from being stirred all the time?" The master picked up a single leaf and placed it on the still water. He said, "Focus on one thing at a time. Just like this leaf floats calmly, your mind will be at peace when you give your attention to one goal, one task, without letting distractions take over." The young man watched as the leaf drifted gently, unaffected by the water's movement. He realized that his constant multitasking and scattered focus were the real barriers to his peace and success. "Master, what should I do when my mind gets overwhelmed?" the young man asked. The master responded, "When your mind is overwhelmed, stop, breathe, and return to your center. Just like the water, your mind will settle if you give it time. Meditation, stillness, and patience are your allies." The young man took a deep breath, feeling a sense of calm he hadn't felt in a long time. He thanked the master and walked away with a new sense of purpose, knowing that whenever life felt chaotic, he had the tools to find his inner peace. This story teaches us a simple yet profound lesson. Our minds are like water when stirred. They become cloudy. When still, they reflect clarity. So remember to take moments of stillness, focus on what truly matters, and let your inner wisdom guide you. If you found this story inspiring, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss another motivational story like this. Share this with someone who needs a little bit of Zen in their life. Thank you for watching, and remember, clarity comes from within. Stay focused, stay peaceful, and keep moving forward.